Have you ever sat down to create your YouTube video, open your camera, and suddenly your mind goes blank? You want to post, you want to grow, and you want views, but the biggest question hits you. What should I even talk about? If you've ever struggled getting video ideas, today's video will completely change how you create your content or how you get your video topics, because I'm going to show you powerful, practical, free places where you can find unlimited YouTube video topics, no matter your niche. Whether you create content for business, faith, lifestyle, gaming, cooking, educational content, or motivational content, this video works for everyone. With no further delay, let's dive into it. So here are 10 practical and powerful places where you can find YouTube video ideas or topics for any niche. This fits into any niche. And the first one on our list is YouTube itself, the most powerful tool to use in finding topics for your video. Before you look anywhere else, use YouTube to search for topics. Go to YouTube search bar and start searching for topics in your niche. When you type for topics in your niche, don't press enter. Just watch what YouTube will suggest there in the search bar. These suggestions are not random. They are based on what people are searching for in your niche. This means there's actually demand for this topic. For example, if you type how to start on the search bar, you will now see how to start YouTube channel, how to edit on CapCut, how to use CapCut as a beginner, how to start a business, how to start this, how to start that. So they are actually showing you topics that people are searching for using the YouTube search bar, because each suggestion is a video idea. From there, you can generate a video based on what people are searching. The second tool you can use, still on YouTube search, you can use the YouTube Studio either on your mobile device or laptop. Open your YouTube Studio, tap on Analytics. Under Analytics, you tap on Trend. When you open the trend, you see exploit topics, you see top search. Tap on top search and you go through all the topics they are searching. These topics are based on your niche because the studio is actually showing you topics on your niche. Now pick any of these topics, tap on it, and you see the volume of search. You have high volume, you have medium volume, and you also have low volume. So when you go through it, the high volume already indicate that there's high demand for this topic. So you can pick that topic and create a video on it. The high volume show you that there's already a demand for this particular topic. These are ways you can also use YouTube search to get topics for your video or what is trending in your niche. So the second place is where you can find topics for your video creation or for your content creation, still on YouTube, is the comment section of your videos. This is one of the most underrated places you can find topics for your videos. Go to your comment section and go through the comment. You see people asking questions like, please, can you teach us how to edit on CapCut? Please, can you teach us how to convert AI images to video? Please, can you teach us how to do this? Can you teach us how to do that? Go through the comment section. The higher the number of comments on a particular topic, for example, can you teach us how to remove noise from our video? Yes, can you teach us how to remove noise from our video background? If you see that the demand is high in the comment section, go ahead. That is a video idea for you. Go ahead and create video on that very topic. How to remove noise from your video background, or how do I use overlay. And the third one on my list is Google Trends. This is a free tool that shows you what is trending. You can use this tool to compare topics, see if interest is rising, and also identify seasonal trends. Let's say, for example, let's say it's interest in AI video creation trending, is interest in YouTube automation trending in Nigeria, is interest in this trending. Google Trend will show you what is actually trending, what is about to trend. The earlier you catch a topic that is about to trend, the better for you to position yourself before the crowd does. And the fourth one on our list is using Google. Yes, use Google to also search for topic. Enter the topic in your niche. You see topics that people are searching for on Google. These people are also likely to go to YouTube to search for that particular topic. These are real questions from real people. So you can pick a topic from Google to create video for your YouTube channel, because as they search on Google, they also search on YouTube for the same topics. Another place you can get YouTube ideas or topics from is using SEO and analytics tools. These tools help show you trending topics, search volume, and what your competitors are creating videos on. Example of such tools are vidIQ and TubeBuddy. These tools are powerful SEO tools that can help optimize your videos, show you what your competitors are creating, and the search volume for a particular topic. Once you get a topic from YouTube search, you can also confirm this topic using either vidIQ or TubeBuddy to confirm the topic, to know if it's actually a trendy topic or a topic on high demand. Instead of guessing, you can use this tool to confirm idea before you go ahead to create the video. Number 6, which is exploit social media trend. Yes, trend can actually start on TikTok, Facebook, Instagram before it gets to YouTube. If a topic or a particular discussion is getting attention on any of these platforms, you can also pick it as a topic to create a longer and detailed video on it for YouTube. Please, before I go into details for this seventh one, take a moment to hit on the subscribe button, like this video, share it so YouTube can get a positive signal and recommend this video for more creators and also more audience. Now to the seventh one, which is YouTube inspiration. There's a feature on YouTube Studio called inspiration. There YouTube suggests topics based on your niche or based on the videos you've been posting. There you can go. Once you open your YouTube Studio, this is what it looks like. You open your YouTube Studio, go through it, pick a topic from it. Then you can confirm that topic by using vidIQ or TubeBuddy to know if that topic is trending. They will give you the demand percentage. Once you validate that this topic is trending, go ahead to create a video on it. It has given you the confirmation to go ahead. So once you get a topic from inspiration, use TubeBuddy or vidIQ to confirm the topic before going ahead to create a video on it. Number 8, use AI for brainstorming. AI can help speed up your ideas generation. Using tools like ChatGPT, Gemini AI to get ideas is also helpful. For example, you can tell ChatGPT to give you 50 beginners-friendly ideas for a fitness niche, or what is trendy in the tech niche, what is trendy in the AI image generation niche. You don't have to create every idea that is suggested by these tools. It only helps broaden your knowledge or give you the inspiration on what to create. You don't have to create everything it suggested. Ninth one is to study your competitors. This is not copying. I didn't say go and copy your competitors. This is research. Search for videos or channel within your niche and click on the most popular video. What topics got the view? What problem did it solve? And how did they title it? Then go ahead to ask yourself, how can I make this better? How can I give it a unique angle? Once you have answers to this question, you already have a video idea. Go ahead and generate it in your own unique way and style. Now to the last one, which is the 10th one. Please, if you've not subscribed yet, hit on the subscription button, share this video, and also don't forget to drop a comment. Now to the last one, which is the 10th. Use your own experience. Yes, your own experience is one of the most powerful places you can get video idea from. So, for example, what have you struggled with? What have you learned recently? What mistake did you make in the course of content creation? How were you able to get monetized within 3 months? How were you able to get your 4,000 watch hour within a specific period? All these things are your experience. You can use this as content ideas for your videos. They are very easy and more relatable to you, because sometimes the best video comes from personal experience. Yes, don't forget to use personal experience to create your video. If you find yourself in any niche, even the cooking niche, you can use personal experience to create your videos. You must listen to this part. Here is how to know if an idea is good before you go ahead to use it and create a video. 1. Are people searching for this topic? Does it solve a problem? Is it specific? For example, instead of saying how to grow, you say how to grow on YouTube from 0 to 1,000 subscribers. Instead of you to say how to edit with CapCut, you say how to edit on CapCut as a beginner, or how to use the CapCut video editing app as a beginner. So you know your main audience at the beginner. Then how to grow on YouTube from 0 to 1,000 subscribers. Your main audience are also people that are just starting a YouTube channel. You are audience specific. Your videos solve a specific problem for a particular group of people. Finally, you are not out of ideas. You are not just searching the right places or using the right tools. Video topics are everywhere in the search bar, comment section, question, trend, conversation, and your own story. Once you learn how to search for topics in your niche, you will never run out of ideas. And once you stop guessing, you start growing, you start being consistent, and you get monetized. Please don't keep this video to yourself. Share to other creators and audience so they can see this video, and also drop a comment. What niche do you belong to? And also subscribe to my channel for more practical content tips and ideas. You can also suggest the next video topic in the comment section. So leave a topic in the comment section for the next video. Remember this, the difference between big creators and small creators is not luck, it is research. So go find your next video ideas using these tools I just mentioned to start creating your videos. See you in my next video. I remain Monique Handles, or Monica for short. Thank you. Bye for now.